In this video, I will show you how you can make a super power water pump system. Take a wire and motor. Round the wire onto the nib of the motor. After completely rounded the wire onto the nib of the motor, cut the wire. And make a bend as you shown in this video. Now take a wooden box. Place the motor in the corner of the wooden block so that the motor did not move on the motor block. Now take a syringe and check it's working perfectly, and take a small edge of a pen. After cutting the piece of the pen, place it on the syringe. Now take another motor and join together with a syringe. Take the wooden block in which you have placed the motor already and bring the second attachment near the motor and pass through the wire to the narrow so that it's working like a pump. Cut the extra wire and make sure you have a small bend where you pass the wire so that it cannot move. Now you can take another hollow pipe and make the remaining accessories by follow the steps. Follow the steps as shown you in this video so you can make perfectly super power water pump system. Now it's time to assemble all the parts you have made perfectly. Place the pipe attachment near the second motor and fit the pipe into the motor syringe. Now I have connected the wire terminal of the battery motor with the small motor, so it start working, and you can check I have made perfectly super power water pump system and it's working accurately. Now I am going to start and check the water coming out. Thanks for watching.